Look at that.
2, 3.
One of the perks that's come with building up a YouTube channel this many years in the process and if you guys are new here, it's been about 3.5+ years going at it, so I've been working, so I appreciate all the support thus far. It's been awesome, especially the Subaru people. We've gotten so many comments lately. Besides all that, I'm here to share a new part that is coming out literally today, so you can click the link in the description and check it out, but we're doing an engine dress-up piece from PERRIN that is brand new. It's on pre-sale today. Perfect timing for Black Friday, and you can go grab it and give it to your buddy or get it for yourself with the sale price. Maybe get one for you and your friend, and it'd be a good Christmas present. So let's dive right into it, but real quick, the Karma shirts are on sale for 15 bucks on the website right now. You're gonna see Dallas's color in a little bit, but I have the black one on. That is my favorite because it doesn't get too dirty, but if you're trying to go out, you can grab one of the other colors and stuff like that. So in the description, karmaspeed.com, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, I'd really appreciate it. They're on sale. I think shipping's like $3, so anywhere in the US, so you can go check it out, grab one. And all right, we got Dallas in the house. So why do we have Dallas here? We have Dallas here because my Subaru is down, obviously, and Dallas has a WRX that if you haven't seen on the channel, we did a little NVIDIA install. Dallas, here's the satisfying knife. Go ahead and start unboxing. This is the color of shirt I was talking about. That's also on the website for sale if you guys want to check that out. Okay, so we're opening the new box first. These are never before seen until today.
Little hardware action.
Got a little hardware.
Snazzy, eh?
Ooh. So these are fender shrouds. Now inside the hood, on the left and right side of the fenders, there's usually felt there. You can pull it out and put these more aggressive looking, robust fender shrouds on, and it makes the engine dress up look a little better. We'll show you these up close in a sec, but that is the first piece. These are brand new. Link in the description, you guys can check them out. Out of the box. Dallas has a charcoal gray car, so all black stuff is gonna look dope. And PERRIN also sent out a couple other little pieces for Dallas's car, so when we get this thing buttoned up, it won't look too plain and it'll look dyed.
I have no idea what this is.
Oh yeah, I didn't tell Dallas that he got extra stuff. So.
Yes,
Got a
goodies.
That's license plate frame.
License plate frame.
Oh, this is the
What is this?
radiator shroud. So right when you open it, it's the first thing you see. Yeah, there's 3 pieces. I dreamt of this, giving Christmas car parts to my friends for Christmas a little early.
I dig it. Heck yeah.
All right, we'll just do pieces. We'll show you up close in a bit. Let's unbox the last. Ah, see, this is the FA. This is the WRX boys right here. This is different than an STI one, so I haven't seen this in person yet. I love PERRIN's boxes too because they all slide out super nice.
You all get them, boys.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got a belt cover.
That's clean.
Those for another piece.
Yeah, I think it's a mounting bracket.
Mounting bracket.
That's it.
Cool. So this will be dead center. We have the radiator and then the fender shrouds. Let's check these things up close. I actually decided, Dallas, you want to come take a peep at the wrap I just got in for the ST?
I actually do because I've been dying to see it.
And you guys are watching the ST build. I'm not gonna show you guys, but let's see what Dallas thinks about it. If you roll the box over, there's a little peephole. Let's roll it over. Get a nice before shot. Oof. This is a little dirty, dude. Do you like this car?
Don't even. You're anal.
Fender shrouds. Step 1. Plastic clip remover tool. It's pretty ugly without it, and we use something to dress it up. Looking at the very well put together directions, we got to remove plastic fasteners. We've done that. And now this is an explanation of how we are going to set the rivet nuts. If you're not aware of what rivet nuts are, they are these things right here, and you can put them in holes, and basically when you tighten them, they crush down smaller and they swell up like that, so you can mount bolts in holes. So when you do a wide body and you drill a hole through the fender, now you have a hole, and then you put the rivet nut in it, you tighten it, and it expands, and now you have somewhere where you can screw a bolt into, which holds your flares on or fenders. And we're gonna do the same thing with this. So this is a very good introductory to what rivet nuts are, or AKA rivet nuts. So on the other side, we learned the hard way that when you are tightening this and holding it as flat as possible, we didn't do it tight enough, and it started spinning. So you want to spin this until it stops, or it's just so tight your arm can't even do it anymore. Go slow, feel it out. Don't just try and force it. If you're a skinny guy like me, it does take probably 90% power. Just go ahead and seat the bolt in there, and then make sure it goes in there smoothly, so we can see it's in there, it's not cross-threaded, and it's not rotating the rib nut or rivet nut. It's all on the knees, my friends.
Hey, check it.
It's all on the knees.
Yeah.
Most people are very scared of cleaning their engine bay. Well, you don't really got to worry about it too much. Just be aware of where your alternator is, and just don't spray it directly on it. Other than that, you're pretty good. Like, obviously a lot of these plugs and stuff, they're weatherproof. Just don't hit them super close, you'll see. But we're gonna soak this whole thing with Simple Green, every crevice, and we're gonna let it soak for like 5 minutes. And then we're gonna blast it with a power washer, and it should get most of this off. And then we can take a towel to the rest of it. So just keep a good distance and spray all around. Some of the greasier spots you can get a little closer, but you can just be gentle for the most part. Thank you, PERRIN, so much for sending out these prototype Fender Shrouds. We're excited that these are on. We're excited how they look. I'm actually super pumped on how it ties everything together as far as the engine dress-up goes. With the PERRIN stuff on my Subaru, it looks good, but I'm excited to get these when we are done because it definitely does tie it together. It makes this have like an extra line right here that kind of matches the fender. I did notice that, but overall, like, you can't complain. So I really appreciate PERRIN, and if you guys want to order these, there's a Black Friday sale going on. Make sure you check out the link in the description. Go grab one for your Subaru, and we'll see you on Thursday. Dallas?
Peace.
Karma Speed Instagram. It's on the screen right now. Send me your whips. Don't send me a trash photo. Send me the best picture that you got, and I'll be reposting it. That is a place where all of us as a community can see each other and see what kind of whips. Maybe we find someone that has a Focus. Maybe we find someone that has a WRX. Maybe we find someone that has an STI. You won't know until you send in your pictures. We'll be posting every single day. I am on it right now. I have some help from my cousin Parker, so I really appreciate his help. And we'll be reposting your cars every day. Send me your best photo. Thanks.
Be dramatic? I'm gonna have no hair there. Look at that. This is a man's chest. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, it's red.
Look freaking gaff tape.